Hello students, welcome in online learning program. I am Harshada Tanle from the CBC Junior College, Nashik Road. Today, from the topic of magnetic material, we will discuss the numerical from the textbook 6, 7 and 8. Students, now we will solve question number 6 from the textbook Unsolved Sum. An electron in an atom is revolving around the nucleus in a circular orbit of radius 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter with a speed of 2 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. Find resultant orbital magnetic moment and angular momentum of electron. Charge on electron is given, which is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, and mass of electron m is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Here the positively charged nucleus is here, that is to the around the positively charged nucleus electron is revolving around its orbit with some radius and with some orbital velocity. So radius of this one orbit is 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter, which is given to you. Then orbital velocity, that is velocity of the electron in its orbit, it is also given to you, 2 into 10 raised to power 6 meter per second. Again, this is the charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, and the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg, also given to you. We have to find out here orbital magnetic moment, that is this one, and another one, the angular momentum of electron, that is the angular momentum of electron. For this one we have the formulae. M orbital having the formula 1 by 2 EVR, and angular momentum of electron is the L is equal to mvr. Now let us find out the first one, the M orbital, which is 1 by 2 EVR. Put the value of E, put the value of V, and put the value of R. It is 1 by 2 into E having the value 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, V having the value 2 into 10 raised to power 6, and R having the value 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Now we have to cut these two with this one. So these two and these two get cancelled. Then 1.6 into 5.3 here and into 10 raised to power minus 19 plus 6 minus 11. So here the answer of this one is 8.48 into 10 raised to power minus 24 ampere meter square. So this is the M orbital, that is the orbital magnetic moment. Then we have to find out the angular momentum of electron. What is the formula? क्या है उसका formula? L is equal to m into v into r. It's very simple. The value of m is with us, value of v and value of r also. So mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Put the value here. Orbital velocity is 2 into 10 raised to power 6, and the r is the radius of the orbit, 5.3 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Then 9.1 into 2 into 5.3. This 2 into 5.3 is the 10.6, and this 9.1 is as it is. Then 10 raised to power minus 31, here minus 31, this is the plus 6 and the minus 11. So if you multiply this one, we get the answer L is equal to 9.65 into 10 raised to power minus 35 Newton per into second. Hello students, Let us solve the unsolved sum number 7 from the text. A paramagnetic gas has 2.0 into 10 raised to power 26 atoms per mole with atomic magnetic dipole moment of 1.5 into 10 raised to power 23 ampere meter square each. The gas is at 27 degrees Celsius. Find the maximum magnetization intensity of this sample, and if the gas is in this problem is kept in a uniform magnetic field of 3 Tesla, is it possible to achieve the saturation magnetization? Why? In this one numerical, what is given to you, student? The paramagnetic gas sample. Paramagnetic gas sample is at temperature 27 degrees Celsius, and this gas sample has atomic magnetic dipole moment which is given to you as 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 23 ampere meter square. So first of all we will write here whatever the given 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 23 ampere meter square, and this temperature as 27 degree, we have to convert this into the Kelvin by adding the 273 degree. Then this temperature is 300 Kelvin. Now we have to find out the maximum magnetization. As they ask you the maximum magnetization, here density is the number of atoms upon volume, which is given to you with this one is 2.0 into 10 raised to power 26. Then maximum magnetization is number of atom per volume into the magnetic moment of each atom, and which is equal to density into the atoms, magnetic moment of atomic magnet, and which is equal, just put the value of density as 2.0 into 10 raised to power 26 into the value of this one is 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 23. Now let us multiply this 2.0 into 1.5 become 3 and 10 raised to power 26 and minus 23. So we have to add the indices. What we'll get? The maximum magnetization is 3 into 10 raised to power 3 ampere per meter. So this is the maximum magnetization. Then in second part of this one, the B part, they ask you if the gas is in this one problem is kept at in a uniform magnetic field which value is 3 Tesla, then what is the is it possible to achieve the saturated magnetization? So here paramagnetic gas is at 27 degree kept in uniform magnetic field which is 3 Tesla. So then is it possible the saturation magnetization? So for this one, as they ask you this one, we have to first understand the condition of the saturated magnetization. The first condition, the condition of the low magnetization is M into B is less than equal to 3 by 2 kBt, and condition for the saturated magnetization is the value of Mb should be greater than equal to 3 by 2 kb into T. So let us find out the value of Mb and find out the 3 by 2 kBt. If the value of Mb is greater than this one, then it is there is a saturated magnetization. So let us otherwise it is not the saturated magnetization. So let us find out the value of it first. So we will find out the value of this one. 3/2 kBT, which is thermal energy of atom of gas. So 3/2 kBT, just put this 3/2 as it is. Kb is the Boltzmann constant whose value is 1.38 into 10 raised to power minus 23, and the value of T, which is 300 Kelvin, we have to put here. Then this 2 divide this one, that is 150. So 3 into 1.38 into 150, this give you this, and the into 10 raised to power minus 23, this give you 6.21 into 10 raised to power minus 21 joule. So we found the value of this 3/2 kBT. Now we have to find out the value of MB. So the what is MB here? The maximum potential energy of atom. Again, in this one sum, the value of B, which is 3 Tesla, it is given to you. So let us put the value of M and B in this one. Then what we'll get? We'll get the maximum potential energy of atom as the value of M, which is already given to you, which is 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 23, we have to put here. So the value of M is this and B is 3 because it is already given. So 1.5 into 3 give you 4.5 into 10 raised to power minus 23. Now students, यहाँ पे आप कंपेयर कीजिए कि ये जो वैल्यू आई है 3/2 kBT की, वो हमारी क्या आई है 6.21 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 21 जूल. इसकी वैल्यू ये आई है. और ये जो MB है इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आई है 4.5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 23 जूल. अब स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये दोनों वैल्यू कंपेयर करनी है. अगर आप कंपेयर करते हैं तो आपको ऐसा दिखेगा कि MB की जो वैल्यू है ना वो स्मॉलर है, विच इज़ 4.5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 23 जूल. और ये जो 3/2 kBT की वैल्यू जो है वो ज़्यादा है. दिस वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर दैन दिस वन. It means that this condition for the saturated magnetization is not satisfying here. And that's why here, and what is the case here? Here exactly opposite case, that is that this MB is less than equal to 3/2 kBT. So there is the saturation magnetization cannot achieve, because condition for the saturation magnetization is not satisfied, and that's why there is the saturation magnetization cannot be achieved. Hello students, let us solve the 8th unsolved sum from the text. A magnetic needle placed in uniform magnetic field has magnetic moment of 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 ampere meter square, and the moment of inertia of 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 kg meter square. It performed the 10 oscillations in 6 seconds. What is the magnitude of magnetic field? स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आपको क्या गिवन है कि मैग्नेटिक नीडल लिया है. ये जो मैग्नेटिक नीडल है ये किस में प्लेस किया है? यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में प्लेस किया है. तो उसमें मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट कितना आ रहा है 2 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 2 एम्पियर मीटर स्क्वायर, एंड द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना आया है 7.2 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू पावर माइनस 7. अब ये जो नीडल है ना वो 10 ऑसिलेशंस परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं इन 6 सेकेंड. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ T एज 6/10. देन you will get 3/5 seconds, and they ask you find the magnitude of magnetic field. To find out the magnetic field, which is denoted by B, we have to select the formula. The quantity B, T, M and I. There is a one relation, there is a one formula which is related with all this quantity, and that is T is equal to 2 pi under root of I upon MB. अब ये स्क्वायर रूट है, स्क्वायरिंग करना है. Squaring on both the side, T square is equal to 4 pi square I upon mb. Now we are interested to find out the value of b, so b transfer to the left hand side and t square to the right hand side. Then b is equal to 4 pi square I upon m into t square, that is this one. Now let us put the value. 4 as it is, pi is 3.142, square of 8. Then I is 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 7, which is given to you. And this m is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2, which is also given to you. Now let us put the value of this t square. This t square, that is t is 3 by 5, and the reciprocal of it is the 5 by 3, square of it the 25 by 9. So numerator it have the 25 and denominator 9. Then this 4 into this 25 you give you 100. The square of this one is 9.872. This 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 7, and this 10 raised to power minus 2 to present to the denominator, it goes to the numerator and become plus, and this 2 into 9, that is the 18. If you solve this one, you will get the answer b is equal to 3.948 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Weber per meter square. So this is the magnetic field B.